new month, guys. It's December, and December means Christmas, guys. Hi guys, I'm Susan Velesi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider to subscribe. Today's video, it's all about our evening routine, how we normally prepare dinner or supper together as a couple. So guys, hope you're going to enjoy this video. Please stick around till the end of this video, and please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you. Guys, we are preparing baked meat or baked beef. That's beef, guys. So he has just finished to remove the extra fat from the beef. Now he's washing it and he wants to prepare it, guys. So let's see how he's going to prepare the meat or the beef, guys.
If I
here guys, we are preparing the things that we need to use to prepare the sauce. We want to prepare the sauce that you are going to add in the beef or in the meat. Someone may ask, why didn't you add the sauce in the meat before putting it in the oven? The meat has its water, so we put it in the oven first so that it can release its water before adding the sauce. So we are just waiting for the meat just to cook a little bit so that it can release its water. Then we are going to remove it and add the sauce. Then after adding the sauce, we are going to return the meat in the oven so that it can cook well. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you.
Two souls colliding. We shared the pieces of ourselves. It's perfect timing now. We fueled the flames, but we're still learning to trust, learning to trust. It's never enough, never enough. Burning me up, burning me up. Don't fight the fire. Too much, too fast, will burn us out. We walk the wire, love. Don't make me read your mind, I know it. Learning to trust, learning to trust. It's never enough, never enough. Burning me up, burning me up. I won't fall when I'm picking you up. Of my hand, I won't be strong enough. Our love is stronger, and I'll be here. My lead, now we're taking the jump. My pride, cause I know you're the one. Our love is stronger. Baby, I know that it's stronger than yesterday. Two sparks ignited. We left some space for us to breathe. My head is quiet now. I can rest in peace, cause you are more than enough, more than enough. Feeling the rush, feeling the rush. Burning in love, burning in love. Two souls united. This roaring blaze is soaring free. If you ever get tired, love, I'll sing you gently to sleep. Cause you're still more than enough, more than enough. Feeling the rush, feeling the rush. Burning in love, burning in love. I won't fall when I'm picking you up. Of my hand, I won't be strong enough. Our love is stronger, and I'll be here. My lead, now we're taking the jump. My pride, cause I know you're the one. Our love is stronger. Baby, I know that it's stronger than yesterday.
So we've removed the meat from the oven. Now we want to remove that water, or is it soup, that it has released, so that we can add our sauce and our coriander and bell pepper on it. Then we return it in the oven for it to finish cooking, or for the final cooking. So that's what we are doing, guys. Hope you're enjoying the video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about it.
Yeah. Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
I want to take this opportunity to thank my new subscribers. Thank you so much for choosing this channel. Thank you, I really do appreciate and feel at home. Our dinner is ready and well served. It's so delicious, guys. Hope you've learned a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching till here. I really do appreciate. Bye, and let's meet on our next video.